And welcome back into What's New, everybody. What's new in terms of warnings? They have extended that tornado warning down for our Carroll County cell that we continue to watch. You can see the bigger picture across northeast Ohio. Still some cells firing up along a frontal boundary down to the south, but this is our biggest concern. Extreme southeastern half of the viewing area. If you're in Carroll County, the majority of the county is okay from severe weather right now. It's this eastern part near Fox heading towards Bergholz, which is really under the gun in terms of the severe weather with this cell, which has shown some pretty good signs of rotation, likely a funnel cloud, if not a tornado on the ground with this. So the latest radar imagery, heavy rain falling all of this north and east of Carrollton. You're fine right now in Carrollton. Western areas of the county, you're good as well. But this is heading over into Jefferson County, which is outside our viewing area. But it's this part of the cell right here as we zoom on in. Right near Fox, you've got just this little appendage of Carroll County here. That is where the bulk of this cell is. And it's heading southeast pretty rapidly as well. Looking at the wind within the system, the good news, we just got that latest scan, and it does look like that cell is now out of the county, heading towards Bergholz, but we've got still some decent rotation with that. We've shown a really tight couplet with that in the last 5-10 minutes when it got issued. And again, that cell will need to be watched as it heads out of the viewing area. Elsewhere, outside of that tornado warning, which goes for about another 10 minutes or so, we've got some hit or miss cells out towards areas of Millersburg, Holmes County. Nothing severe with that. Canton up towards Cleveland. We're fine right now. Problem is the front hasn't passed yet, so we're still dealing with that muggy air. Here's a look at those cells last night. This is your 24-hour radar loop. You can see this morning we did have gusty winds, but the bulk of this activity from the thunderstorm cluster that was well advertised went through areas of Chicago and Indiana. You can see the appendage we got here bringing some of that rain. But notice where this boundary settles. So this chunk's over here, but we've still got a boundary overhead, and that would be the frontal boundary. That could still spark some storms rest of the evening. Highest threat for severe weather is going to be our southern communities, and I think we can pretty much close the door on the severe weather threat with some lingering downpours. We're in the 80s right now. We've broken out into sunshine in spots. The wind's still out of the west, so we don't have that cooling breeze yet. Look at the dew points. In the last hour, Millersburg had a dew point of 79. That's the highest of the year so far. That is just tropical Floridian type air, even Amazonish. But you can see we're all still in the 70s. So that mugginess is still there. Atmosphere is still ready to go. You marry those two numbers together, we get heat indices up in the 90s. But this is all on the periphery of that heat dome. 100-degree heat, that's what it feels like down to our south. We're going to push this down to the south a little bit further. We're going to tap into some nice air up in New England. And boy, are we setting the stage for a beautiful weekend around here. In fact, here are your dew points through the day tomorrow. You can see the times at the bottom. Midday, we've got comfortable air. By afternoon tomorrow, it is just downright nice outside. You're barely going to break a sweat as you're out and about tomorrow afternoon. And we hold that as we go on into your Saturday. National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. The big stuff heads out of here over the next hour. We deal with lingering downpours from time to time. Tomorrow morning is going to be cooler. We'll be in the mid-60s. Could spark some stray showers as we bring cooler in over the lake. So if there is a rain chance tomorrow, it's mainly early in the day. We start to clear things out after that. Gorgeous Friday evening. That will set the stage for an equally perfect Saturday around here. Muggy meter, there you go, goes down. Next rain chance Sunday, and then we dry things out once again next week. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast looks like this. Lots of sunshine expected on Saturday after some clouds tomorrow. Next chance of rain on Sunday. Doesn't look like a big deal, but we're in the 70s all the way through next week. Humidity staying very comfortable after that. We've got more weather updates for you, and we've got Pop Break coming up.